like Accenture, like Tata Systems, if you want to go in that market. We've seen big market projects in Denmark delivered by source projects from India. To be honest and share it with you, they failed all of them more than once. Maybe they are success now because now they've been over it 3 times, so the CEOs now tell it's a success. But on price, if they've done it right the first time, it would have been cheaper. If they've done it locally, it would have been cheaper. So please be aware of scalability is very different in the market you're in. Quality is not only the coding you deliver, it's the resources you put on the project, it's the knowledge that you can put into the project. I know I'm repeating myself, but that is the market model from the Northern Europe. And I'm working closely with some of the Indian companies still, and I have a partner there, that's a very small company in India, it's only 4,000 people. They changed the business model completely. They used the American model like they used to, and they failed on all 4 projects that they started up with in the Northern Europe countries. Restrain the people, no, that's the wrong word. Keep the people on board, give them what they want, train them, give them a decent salary, and make them involved in the project knowledge-wise. That's way, way more important for me as a buyer of source project. I don't care about scalability when it comes to thousands of people.
Scalability here in ITO and for Bangladeshi supplier targeting the European SME market is indeed completely possible. As you said, we are talking about 5